Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the install Realtek HD audio driver failure and the error code is 0001. And the best way to fix this problem is you can install the Realtek audio driver. So first open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the Realtek. And once you type it just hit the enter and this website will show on the top which is the realtek.com. So make sure you open this website. So once this website was open, click on the three-line option you are seeing on the left top. Now here go to the downloads. Now here you will see the computer peripheral ICS. So guys, once you click on that, you will go to the new page. Here just scroll down and you just need to click on the choose subcategory. Now here you can just choose the PC audio codecs. So guys, once you select that, here you just need to scroll down and just click on the choose subcategory, and now here you can just choose the high definition audio codecs. Now just scroll down and you will see the latest version which is the ALC88. So make sure you download this one which is the latest version. So you are seeing the software option, click on that and now you will go to the new page. Here you just need to scroll down and look for the download which says the 64-bit with the Windows 7, 8 and 8.1, 10, and this is also for the Windows 11. You can also download it for your Windows 11 if you have. Then just click on this download option you are seeing here to download this. Scroll down, click on the I accept, click on the download this file. And guys, once you click on that, here you just need to fill the captcha, click on the submit, then this file will start downloading into your PC. So guys, once it start downloading, so I have already downloaded, so I can just open it and show you how you can install it. So once you open it, just it will start loading up and just it is repacking and unpacking the files. So you just need to wait for it, and here you just need to click on the next option. Then here you will see once it will just uninstall the Realtek audio driver in your PC, then it will boot up your PC, it may restart, then it will again install, then it again restart your PC. So you just need to click on the next option, then it will take some time, and then here you need to just click on the yes, I want to restart. So just click on the finish option, then your PC will restart. So guys, I have restarted, then this will open up automatically and this will take some time, so you need to just wait for it. Then it will again ask you for the restart, so you just need to restart your PC again. And then if I just go to the Windows set, type at the device manager and now open it, and now here you have to just look for the sound, video and game controllers. Now you can simply open it and here you will see the Realtek high definition audio is installed into your PC. Guys, this is how you can fix this problem and install it. And if you found this video useful, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.